spent 1.3 million yuan to bring back a Rolls-Royce that once cost over 5 million yuan new. The glass shattered. The frame was pushed backward. You're not seeing things. The king of cars was hit so hard it lost its soul. Today, we'll restore it without spending a fortune, without replacing major parts, but still make it beautiful and dignified. Because parts are expensive. But as long as the craftsmanship is right, the result can be perfect. As long as the frame stands strong, the car's dignity can still be restored. This fender total loss, and the headlight to scrap. Guess how much this headlight costs? Next, let's remove the damaged door. This door is seriously heavy. No wonder it's a Rolls-Royce. Everyone says it's soundproof, and that weight proves the materials are premium. Luckily, most of the front structure looks okay. The damage isn't too deep, but we'll see if the engine was affected. Next, the interior tear down. First, clean up the shattered glass. The apprentice works carefully on the interior, making sure not to damage the trim panels. Now removing the signature Starlight headliner. It can only come out through the windshield, so we'll remove the windshield first. Off comes the hood. Off with the roof lining. Next episode, body straightening. You think bodywork is just hammering? No, it's a real skill. Next time, we'll mount it on the frame machine for alignment and restore it. Guess how much the total repair will cost? Leave your number in the comments. Let's see who's closest. Frame alignment. Fully documented. Absolutely satisfying. Follow me, don't miss the next part. This will be the most complete Rolls-Royce resurrection you'll ever see. Someone even suggested renting it for weddings to earn it back. But we've got a big problem. The pillar is broken. Many say luxury cars are too tightly built. Most people can't repair them properly. Can this be done? Or is it a money pit? Don't blink, the real technique is coming next. First, remove the welds. Peel off the outer skin. Cut off the first layer of aluminum. Knock out the weld spots. Scrape away the old glue. Grind down the rivets with a wheel. continue prying off the aluminum skin. Then drill out the rivets. Rivets removed. Next, separate the outer panel. The outer aluminum must attach from the cast frame. Once complete, remove the outer aluminum sheet. Straighten the outer layer separately. New parts are better quality, but too expensive to afford. Do you think my approach makes sense? Didn't expect more rivets hidden here. Let's keep working. Attention to detail. No cutting tools here, to avoid damaging the frame. Lower section done. Now pry open the top aluminum sheet. Cut open the upper layer. Manual separation again. Done. Here's the pillar frame structure. The skeleton supports the entire body, and the damage is worse than expected. No idea how the previous owner managed to crash this. Finally, the outer layer is removed. Now watch the craftsman hand straighten the pillar. Use a jack to lift the bent line first. Then start restoring the upper crease. Focused work. Now fix the puncture holes. Pull out the dents. Hammer them flat. To restore the collapsed pillar, we support the dented area with a jack from underneath. Then hammer it back. Reinforce the strength. Correct gradually. Never use full force at once. Prevent metal stress concentration. Avoid later deformation. He says this dent can't be pulled out. So, he decides to cut the damaged piece off, repair it separately, then weld it back. Now, let's reset the pillar bones. Heat hammer. Restore to factory form. If there's no hammering, it's not bodywork. If it's random, it's not skill. From this to this. A pillar done and now fix the outer aluminum skin. Manual restoration with heat treatment. Hammering back to shape. Match the alignment. Once aligned, ready for welding. Perfect fit in one go. Now start welding. Tack weld first. Then hammer smooth the surface. Cut along the joint. Weld along the seam. Next, fix this hole. He reuses a perfect patch piece. Welds it in place. Then grinds all the weld points smooth. Spray on black primer. Finally, weld the outer aluminum panel back in position. Every gap must align perfectly. Use clamps to hold firmly before welding. Once secured, start welding. Put on the goggles, let's weld. Start with tack welds. Then weld the upper section. Then the lower section. Grind off the welds. Reinforce and grind again. The pillar's full shape reappears. Final polishing on welds. The exterior is complete. Do the same on the inside. Grind, weld, finish. Watch the craftsman's precision. Welding the upper joints. Polish the weld points smooth. The pillar is officially restored. Windshield frame is straight again, ready for the new glass installation. Next episode, more bodywork magic. Do you think straightening the pillar counts as an extreme repair? Tell me in the comments. Like and save, get notified first for updates. Let's witness the rebirth of the King of Cars together.